Testing. Test. Can you hear me? Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. So, the bag of the month, July 2025. I said that right?
Yep.
It is here, guys, and I think today is the 3rd. So this came really fast. I am really impressed. And as you can see here, I did not order just one. I ordered two bag of the months, guys. And reason behind me ordering the bag of the month, 2 of them this month, is it is at a wonderful price point. This is how a bag of the month should be priced. I think they've been watching me and they got the point when I complained about their 140, 130 price range for their bag of the month. That is not a bag of the month, guys. That is a regular bag on sale. So if you want to do a bag of the month, it must be in this price point. So I got 2. And one of these bags is actually going to be gifted to a subby here on my channel. Yes, if you guys don't know and you're new here, I will occasionally gift a bag of the month to one of my subscriber friends here who follow me on this platform and who are also following me on Instagram. I understand some people don't have Instagram, so if you don't have one, that's perfectly fine. But if you're on here, if you make your presence known to me, like you share, you send me comments, you like my videos, or you repost my videos, just so you know, I get how do you say you make your presence known to me, like I notice you, then me and my son put you into our gifting category. And the lady who is going to receive the gift this month is a wonderful friend that I've made here on Instagram and YouTube, and I already reached out to her before the bag of the month was even known what bag of the month it was. I decided I'm gonna gift one to her because she's so sweet. She reaches out to me over there on Instagram almost daily. We say hi to each other, you know, we like posts, she sends me hearts, and you know, she likes all my stuff that I put up. She's such a sweetheart. And I reached out to her and I said, I would love to gift you a bag because you're so supportive. And we talked, and I asked her, if you see when the bag of the month comes out, I will send you a picture of the bag of the month. You let me know if you would like that bag of the month as your gift, because it's a one-time gift, guys. If you've already gotten one, I can't give you another one because I have a lot of people on here I would like to gift to. So I gave her the option of when the bag comes out, if she would like July's bag of the month as her gift. And she said yeah without even seeing the bag. So and then afterwards when I sent it to her, because there was 12 options for colors for this bag of the month, guys. July has 12 options right now, still there. Go check it out. But she said yes, she would love it. She was so happy to receive a gift, so I ordered her color she has chosen for herself. One of these is for her, one is for me because there was a color that I really wanted. I don't have that color, so we're gonna jump right in right now. So my subby friend who is gonna be gifted, her name is Kelly. She asked me only to say her first name. And Kelly, I hope you're watching. I hope you enjoy. And after I show the bag, it's gonna get repacked and sent straight to you there. So I hope you enjoy it. And for the rest of you here who are always here on my channel, I'm so grateful. But yeah, I would love to give you a gift as well. It's not a contest. It's not anything you have to enter. You just have to make your presence known to me in a good way. Nothing nasty. Nasty people get removed. But yeah, if you're here, you support my channel, you are on my list, and hopefully one day I'll be able to give everyone, I want to have it where I can gift one every month. So hopefully soon we'll there. So one of these is mine. One of these is for the gift for Kelly. And the first one I opened, this one is mine. Guys, look at this. Look at this. So I'm going to open mine fully. We're going to look at it. But the gifted one that I'm going to send Kelly, I'm only going to show you the colors, so you see the different colors, okay? Because I want her to get the enjoyment of opening a brand new Dooney bag. So here's mine. 12 wonderful colors at a price point amazing, $79 with the code July right now on the Dooney and Bourke website. I love Dooney. Go check it out. I think it's fantastic. We have here the beautiful small Charleston shopper, guys. Charleston shopper. And can you tell what color I got? I hope the lighting is good in here. Look at this. I have never seen it in this color, so I had to have it. It is a numbered piece, number 9 of 100. I got the violet color, guys. It is gorgeous in person. Wow, I can't wait to use it. Now this is something that I usually wouldn't order if it wasn't a bag of the month, because I collect it as a bag of the month, because it's a smaller bag. Here is the paperwork if you want to go forward like this. How professional ever. I say go forward like this. But yeah, you can look it up. So it is called a small Charleston shopper. And I had to order myself a little gift with it, the wallet, because I don't have anything in this color. And a lot of my stuff is still packed up. So I was like, I'm going to want to use it immediately, so I don't want to wait until we unpack everything and find my little pieces. So I just ordered a piece with it. These are on sale too. Came out to $29.99, guys. What fireworks? The fireworks code. Okay. So this is my bag of the month, guys. July 2025. I can't believe 2025, guys. Wow. Okay, we're gonna jump right into it. No sticker? Of course not, Dooney. Why would you send me a sticker? I mean, why? Don't ever send it. I don't know why they don't send it. But yeah, this is the color for me that I ordered. I think it's gorgeous. Gorgeous in person. Look at this. It has a beautiful structure to it. It will stand like this. I love it when it stands. I can't wait to do some new displays for you guys and put my bags. Oh, I miss all my bags. Going through every box. It's like Christmas. Finding all my bags I haven't seen for years. But this is so cute to add to my collection. I think everybody would love this in their collection. Again, 12 colors. This color is available right now when I'm taping. I'm not sure how long it'll be available because it is a very popular color. Completely gorgeous with the trim color. This is the darker trim on this. Violet, guys. Look at it. So cute. This is a small bag. For some people, this is probably a medium. For me, this is a small bag. As you can see, I'm a big girl, so this is considered small for me. But I do love it. I do have a couple of these. This is probably the second time this bag has been a bag of the month since I've been doing the bag of the month for you guys on here. If you go to my playlist, you could probably see the other one I got, but this is the second time. But look how cute. Beautiful leather on the sides. Okay. Feet. Completely gorgeous structure. 2 handles. I love this. It's a handle bag. Okay. And then let's see if we can open it up. And after we go and jump into this, I will show you the one I'm gifting, the color. Now that color is the color that she picked herself. And I asked her which color she wanted, and that's the one she went with. So I'm happy to get it for her. So yeah, guys, if you don't know, I do gift them. You have to make yourself known. Be subscribed. Hit that subscribe. I am here every month, unless I'm foreseeing something. But most of the time, I am here every month. Look at this gorgeousness. And again, this wallet is also on sale. Medium wristlet, violet color. This was $29.79. I mean, unbelievable, right? For the 2. Wow. Back here, it has a zipper pocket. This is not a deep pocket, but I don't know, it might hold, like, see, my hand barely fits in there. Might hold some glasses, some keys, maybe some phones if you have the smaller phones. My phone will not fit. It has the privacy zipper here. I love that. It can be zipped. Of course, the DOONEY zipper. Fantastic. Inside is red. Let's jump right in. Oh, can't wait to move into this. It's getting kind of late, so I don't think I'll be able to do some pictures for you today, but I will do, of course, coming up in a month for you guys, a lot of videos with it. Look at that. I just love this color, guys. Violet. Such a beautiful color. Wow. So even a small bag like this has the 2 pockets. Back here has a zipper and a slot pocket. And if you do get one of these medium wristlets, it does fit perfectly inside. So I'm going to come closer so you guys see that color. Try not to fall. Look. Wow. Look at this. Violet color. So beautiful. So beautiful. If I make it, take some pictures outside with it so you see the color, I will. But there you have it, guys. The bag of the month, July 2025. Wow. Can't believe it's 2025.
Yep.
So there you have it. This is my choice. I'm going to show you the one I got for my friend, Kelly. Will not be opening it because this is her gift. She's going to be gifted this. I wish they had put a sticker in there for her, but no. So the color that my subby wanted for her as a gift is the navy. Here it is. I'm not going to undo it, guys, because I want her to open it herself, but try to get it close enough so you can see the color. It is navy. It's gorgeous. I think this is a great bag for, of course, 4th of July. All of July are wonderful color that you can use throughout the month. I think it's gorgeous. So I hope you like it, Kelly. I so love gifting this to you, and I would love to gift more out, guys. I do need the subscription numbers to go up a little bit more, so that we can get to that point where I can gift one every month. That is my ultimate goal here. So thank you to everyone who has been here from the beginning. I so appreciate you guys. So you're seeing it here in the 2 colors, violet and what is that? And in the navy. There are 3 options of these dark blue on there. One was midnight blue, and there was another one too, along with the navy. So if you like these dark navy colors, there was 3 options on there. Let's try to see if there's a way I could, maybe I could just take it out of the bag and I'll put it back in there. So I want you to see the color. And we'll put it nicely back in there for her. But yeah, look at, that's beautiful. Okay, bring it forward. So there it is in the navy, guys. Gorgeous. And mine in the violet. Okay, so there you have it, guys. Bag of the month, July, here with Tera. I'm here every month. Please subscribe, like. Thank you to everyone who's been here. I so love the support I get from you guys. I am so happy you guys are being patient, waiting while I'm going through this move process. And when I come back fully, I don't think of myself as fully back. When I come back fully, you guys are going to love everything I'm bringing to the table. So thank you so much to everyone. I hope you enjoyed. 12 beautiful colors, 2 represented here for you guys to see. Go check it out. ilovedooney.com. $79. Make sure you put in that July to check out, and you will get it for that price. I will see you guys next time. Love you. Bye.